Dear students, today we'll know about the Vedic civilization, chapter 7. With the decline of the Indus Valley civilization, a group of people came to India around 1500 BC and settled down in Punjab, which is referred to as Sapta Sindhu. These people were known as Aryan. Sapta Sindhu means what? Sapta Sindhu, it is the region of 7 rivers. The period between 1500 BC and 1000 BC, during which the Aryan lived, is known as the early Vedic. Rig Veda describe the life and religions of the period, and so this period is also known as Rig Vedic period. The period from 1000 BCE to 600 BCE is known as the Later Vedic age. So we can divide the Vedic civilization into two parts. First is early Vedic age and second is Later Vedic age. So first we'll discuss about the early Vedic age. The Aryans had divided themselves into tribes, which is known as Janas. The Rajan was the head of the tribe and he was chosen by his tribesmen. They lived in a rural settlement known as Gramo, and the head of the Gramo was known as Gramani. Rajan was assisted by Senani, or you can say a war commander and other officials. The Rajan's religious duties and ceremonies were performed by the royal priest called Purohita. Jana had two major assemblies, Sabha and Samiti. Samiti was a large assembly of all tribesmen, and Sabha was like an elite group of selected tribesmen. They advised and guided the king. The word Veda. Veda means, what? Knowledge. The Veda is knowledge, and the chief information about the early Aryans was Rig Veda. There are 4 Vedas. First one, Rig Veda, Atharva Veda, Sam Veda, and Yajur Veda. Now we'll know about the Vedic society. Many families together made up a grama. The head of the family was known as Grihapati. Women were treated with a lot of respect and were free to attend Samiti meetings and took part in all religious rituals and ceremonies. A widow woman could remarry. The society was divided into 4 classes according to their occupation. This was known as caste system. The Brahmins were the learned religious priests who imparted education. They study the Shastra and perform religious rites. Kshatriya were the warrior class who defended the territories. The Vaishyas were engaged in professions like trading, craftsmanship, and farming. And the Sudras were much like slaves who mainly worked to serve the other 3 classes. The main food of Aryan consisted of meat, fruit, and vegetables along with the milk, butter, and ghee. They were fond of drink sura and soma. The dresses worn by Aryan men and women were in 2 parts: lower garments, was an unstitched piece of cloth like dhoti, and upper garment consisted of a shawl. A turban like headgear was also worn. In leisure time, the Aryans spent by performing, dancing, singing, playing musical instruments, hunting, gambling, and chariot racing. The Aryan worship the natural forces as god and goddess and wish to keep them happy by offering prayers. Indra, the god of thunder, was the most important one. Agni, the fire, Vayu, the wind, Varuna, the water, Surya, the sun, Usa, the dawn, Yama, the god of death, were some of the important gods worshipped by the Aryans. Aryan believed in one supreme power who had created the world. They performed sacrifice called yajna to please the gods, seek their protection while chanting hymns. Okay, student, today we came to know about early Vedic age. Next class we will know about later Vedic age. Okay, thank you.